Now, you're all aware that the main goal of all the hand washing and the social distancing is to slow the spread of the coronavirus, to keep it from spiking and overwhelming our health system. That is the goal of all of this, is to flatten the curve of the spread of the disease. And that's why you'll start seeing graphics during our newscasts to remind you and your family to help stop the spread of COVID-19. Experts say together we can all help to flatten the curve.
As we all do our part to stop the spread of coronavirus, officials are working to protect the homeless population. Metro and the Multnomah County Joint Office of Homeless Services are creating temporary shelters. Lise Haas has more details as we hear from those who now have a safer place to be.
The Oregon Convention Center and Charles Jordan Community Center are being converted into temporary shelters. Metro and the Multnomah County Joint Office of Homeless Services came up with this plan recently.
I think it's a really good thing. I think that being able to flatten that curve and reduce the stress on those most vulnerable is probably the most important thing we can do right now.
Up until now, all shelters are full and they're not able to meet the social distancing needs. The 7 or 8 shelters in the county haven't been able to space beds 6 feet apart. Officials with the Metro Council and Multnomah County Homeless Services say they'll now be able to house 120 to 140 people at the Oregon Convention Center. We're told 125 people will be able to stay at the Charles Jordan Community Center in North Portland. We talked to Miranda Waldron, who recently lost her housing and is now staying at the Charles Jordan Community Center during this personal and public crisis.
I've been in an abusive relationship for about 3 years, so I didn't have any choice but to go to a shelter, and I called this shelter and they accepted me. So now I'm here because it's a better, safer place to be.
Hotel vouchers are being provided to those in the homeless community who are medically vulnerable. Meanwhile, the county is still looking for more sites to use as temporary shelters. This is one more measure to slow the spread of COVID-19 to those who are normally living in unsafe, cramped conditions. In Portland, Lise Haas, KOIN 6 News.